In this video, we're going to learn how to divide algebraic expression. Just like multiplying fraction, the rule is that you divide number with number, and then you divide letters with the same letter. The rule is that if you have xm divided by xn, you take xm minus n. When you multiply, you add, you divide, you take away. So for example, x7 divided by x3, you got x7 minus 3, and the answer is going to be x4. So let's look at the four simple example before we go to the harder example. Okay, so the first four example, it looks like this, okay? So the first one, we have P7 over P3. So following the rule of division of indices, so you just take P, 7 minus 3, and the answer is going to be P to the power of 4. That's quite straightforward. Example 2, you take number, divide by number, and no number is actually 1. So 2 over 1 to remain as 2. x4 divided by x, there's a 1 there. So being 4 minus 1 is going to be x to the power of 3. And now we go to the third example. 24a cubed over 6a. So we remind ourselves, 24 divided by 6 is going to be 4 over 1, so you can leave 4 at the numerator, and then a cubed divided by a, so a cubed minus 1, so 3 minus 1, so the answer is going to be a squared. And last but not least, we're going to do that 1 here, so 1, 7 still remain, okay, and then x4 minus divided by x squared is 4 minus 2, so the answer is going to be x squared. So now we're going to look at the 4 harder examples, and we'll see whether you can master the skills. Okay, the first one, we have 3x squared y over 12x power 7. So again, we take number with number first. So 3 over 12 is the same as 1 over 4. And x squared over x7, there are more x's at the bottom, so x to the power of 5 at the bottom, and y remain. And now we do example 2. 2 over 8 is the same as 1 over 4. X cubed divided by x is going to be x squared, and y over y squared will be y at the bottom. Okay, because 2 minus 1 is 1 at the bottom. Okay, next one, we have 3a squared b squared c over 9a b cubed c squared. So 3 over 9 becomes 1 over 3. Okay, and a squared over a is going to be a. B squared over b cubed, there are more b's at the bottom, so 1b at the bottom. C over c squared, 1c at the bottom, because there are more c's at the bottom. Okay, the last question is slightly different. So we are going to expand it. It means 2xy squared is multiplied twice. 2xy squared divided by x cubed y squared. When you multiply, it's going to be 4x squared y 4 over x cubed y squared. And the final answer, 4 over 1 is going to be 4. X squared over x cubed. There are more x's at the bottom, so 1x at the bottom. Y4 over y squared, there's a y squared on top, because 4 minus 2 is going to be 2. So that is how you divide algebraic expression. So hopefully you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one.